Hello, on this nice sunny morning, makes a change, but Younger Roadie here and welcome to my channel. Well, today is the day of the DJR, or Distinguished Gentleman's Run 2024. I'm not actually on the run as I wasn't last year, but I'm going to go part of the way and get a bit of video footage. Stay tuned and watch the intro. So we're just fueled up and now we're on the way to Sharnford. There's a pub there called the Bricklayers Arms, and I think that's where the ride's starting from this year. I believe it's starting and ending there. Because normally it starts at Huggies and then we stop off at Triumph and then we come here. And I usually get here early to video the bikes. But I'm not going to do a start and a finish here, so the itinerary of the day is not certain as yet. Oh, we're getting ready for the off. And we're on the way. Oh well, we're going a different route. Looks like we're going grass tracking. Well, all the DGR run have left, but I'm not doing the return journey. It's more or less going back to where we started. Well, I'm going to have a spin over to Triumph. It's too nice to go back yet. I'm going to take the scenic route across country.
And that didn't.
Do you know what? That point I actually said to Monica, it's going to a scrapyard.
Yeah.
I'm done with this.
There's the one and only Freddie Dobbs and his Triumph. That's just all been rebuilt.
3 weeks, because the rest of it, you can't stay at a heightened level of excitement for so long.
No, and it was such a long project, wasn't it? Really?
Yeah. So it feels.
It's like your birthday almost. Well, it's like your bike's birthday,
Well,
isn't it?
do you know what this?
I've only got a little bit of battery left, so it's not worth changing it now, just for the journey home. Just leaving Triumph now. Well, I turn up for the books, meeting Freddie Dobbs and that wonderful Triumph. Now it's all been done. Amazing bit of work. Oh, what it must be like to have that kind of mechanical skill. I have been actually watching the series of the bike being done up by Joe on his channel, The Works. Remarkable work. I must admit, Freddie Dobbs is a real gent, a very friendly person, very approachable. You know, considering he's got such a big channel, he's still a very nice, humble guy. So if you've enjoyed this video, please do the ticks to like and subscribe, and as always, take care, ride safe, and bye for now.